Training rooms are ideal for engaging employees and can continue to function just the same while adhering to social distancing guidelines. All it takes is a few changes. When tighter restrictions are in place, reduce occupancy at individual tables to maintain social distancing. Place acrylic dividers between stations whenever possible. This creates a safe barrier between trainees without blocking anyone's view of each other. Keep a fully stocked cleaning caddy in the room for wiping down stations between sessions. And keep all technology for the room in one centralized storage space so that the tech is only being touched when in use. Remove beverage and coffee stations to reduce the risk of these high-touch areas, but encourage trainees to take individual breaks during the meetings instead. This will reduce bottlenecks in break areas or restrooms and help maintain proper PPE usage in the training space. All trainees should be encouraged to keep their personal items with them instead of storing them in a coat closet or other communal storage area within the room. Looking towards the future and as restrictions ease, it's important to maintain a space that can adapt. If possible, use mobile seating and nesting tables to tailor the room to each session's occupancy needs. Consider using tablet chairs that combine seating, workspace, and personal storage into one instead of tables. You can reopen coat closets, but set up individual storage compartments for personal belongings. Finally, be sure to maintain existing sanitizing and cleaning procedures. Following these guidelines can keep the training room functional for trainees while keeping to social distancing.